Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this holiday makeup. I can't wait for the holidays. This makeup is perfect for that, and it's also perfect for those days that you want to be a little extra, you know. So I'm so excited for you guys to see how I created this beautiful eyeshadow look. So let's go ahead and get started. For today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm starting with this eyeshadow called G Money, and I'm placing this on my crease, and this is the only color I'm going to be using on my crease, so I'm just going to be packing that on my eye. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to be cutting my crease, and you guys already know how I do this because I do it in almost every video. So I'm just cutting my crease, and then I'm going to be blending the concealer that's on my eyelid just to make sure that everything is blended, and then I'm also going to be setting it with some translucent powder. Going back to eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying Dream Money and this other eyeshadow called Temptress. This is a dark black eyeshadow, and I'm placing this on the outer V of my eye, and I'm just using the same brush I used in the beginning of the video. This is by Colourpop, and I'm not sure what it's called, but I'll link it down below. It's one of my favorite brushes ever to blend my eyeshadow. And for my eyelid color, I'm applying this white eyeshadow. I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, and the eyeliner I'm going to be using today is by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be doing a wing eyeliner, and then after that I'm going to be applying this NYX glitter glue primer to apply my glitter. It's gonna stand out so much. I'm pretty sure you could tell already how much it's going to stand out, but the black eyeliner really helped. So now I'm just going to be applying my glitter, and then I'm going to be applying lashes. I'm gonna come back to the eyeshadow, but I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup first, and then I'm gonna go back to finish the rest of my eye makeup. But for today's primer, I'm going to be using this new primer by Huda Beauty. This is the Water Jelly Hydrating Primer. I really like this primer. It's very hydrating, and it's also very thin, which I love. I'm definitely going to be using it a lot more often. But for foundation, I'm going to be using this foundation stick by Huda Beauty as well, and I'm in the color Latte. I love this foundation stick. It blends so easily. It's very smooth. It looks very, you know, Facetune. I really like it, and it's definitely one of my favorites right now. You guys know I only use the NARS Natural Radiant foundation, but now I have a favorite as well. I have two now that I really like, so you guys are gonna see me using this foundation very often. For concealer today, I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics Cakeless Full Coverage Waterproof Liquid Concealer. This concealer is very full coverage, and I know it looks a little light right now on camera, but in person it doesn't really look that bright. I feel like it was, you know, it looked lighter because of the lights and everything, but it's okay. Everything worked out and it didn't look bad. So I also really love using a lighter concealer because it just makes everything stand out more, you know, more highlighted. So after that, I'm going to be applying translucent powder to set the concealer, and then I'm going to be applying bronzer, blush, highlight, and all that, and I'll come back to you guys once I finish. For lipstick today, I decided to go with a deep brown lip color. So I went ahead and used my lip liner by Kylie Cosmetics in the color True Brown K, I believe. And I'm going to be applying this all over my lips, and then I'm going to be applying this lip gloss by Colourpop, and it's going to create this beautiful glossy brown lip. So let me know what you think about this lip color down below. I would love to know. But after that is done, I am all finished with this holiday makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys loved it. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video.